The next step is to use a program called Bundler to install all of the gems needed by our application. Now, Rails new automatically runs Bundler, and it installs all the gems specified in the so-called gem file. This line here tells Bundler that we want to use Rails 6.0.0, or because of this little tilde greater than sign, if 6.0.1 is available, or 6.0.2, or something like that, then Bundler will install that automatically. But it won't install something like 6.1 or 6.2. This is a way of making it safer to install and update gems. Experience shows, though, that in fact it's a good idea to use exact version numbers. This is the best way to get a consistent experience and minimize the chances of errors. So what we're going to use is a gem file that specifies exact version numbers and is available in a place where it's easier for me to update in case something changes. If you're using an online version of the book, it should be synchronized automatically. But if you're following the book in a PDF, EPUB, or MOBI, there might be some discrepancies. You should always use the one that's available online at gemfiles 6th edition.railstutorial.org. That version will always be fully up to date. Look here, initial gem file. Click on raw, copy it. And there we go. And now I'll install the gems with these exact version numbers using bundle install. This is exactly the sort of thing that might happen. It looks like Selenium WebDriver here has been updated since I made this gem file. This is a chance to apply technical sophistication. How do we fix this? It says, try running bundle update Selenium WebDriver. That's the name of the gem. It's a little out of date. So there, the error message actually told us the exact thing we had to do. And now it should be working. And just for future reference, I'm going to change this from 142.3 to 142.4. By the way, there's a shortcut or alias for bundle install. It's just bundle. All right, we're ready to go.